What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're here with the 22 Yamaha R1. As you guys saw, just got it like 2 days ago, and we already got a bunch of parts in already. We're gonna make this a little bit of a build series, so you guys can see the progress of making the bike my own, and some different stuff that I like to throw on my bikes. So today's video is going to be crash protection. That's usually the first thing I do with any of my bikes. So stay tuned, drop a like, feel free to comment and subscribe for the build series. All right, guys. So first thing we're going to start with is the Evotech swingarm spools. Usually I go Yamaha, but I think they're having some supply issues right now and can't order them. We're a partner at TST Industries too, which really like a lot of their products. But yeah, looks like a black Delrin. Look pretty nice. They look similar to the Yamaha, which is kind of the look that I was going for. So yeah, we'll throw these guys on, and then we have the front axle sliders from Evotech as well. Let's check out these guys. So there's your connecting rod. There's the two pucks on each side, so pretty similar look to the swingarm spools, and pretty minimal too. So that's what I'm going for. But pretty impressed with the quality. They have nylon locking nuts on the end, so let's throw them on. Alright guys, so we just got the swingarm spools from Evotech installed. Really liking the look of these guys. Pretty low profile. We also got the front axle spools right there. It's looking pretty good. Next up, we got the Graves Motorsports Diamond Sliders. These are the ones that I have on my R6 as well. Super low profile, kind of blend in with the fairings of the bike. They look great. There's some stickers. Here's the sliders themselves. I don't really like any other styles. I think they stick out too far, and I don't know. I'm always worried about, like a style like Shogun where it sticks out so far that if you go into a low side, it'll just kick you up into a high side. But these Graves, I think, are designed in a way to prevent that, and gosh, they just look good. So yeah, let's throw these on now. Just one quick mention, so if you guys like any of the parts that you're going to be seeing in this build series, I will leave a link in the description below to where you can get them you want to get them for your R1. Just a heads up, they are affiliate links, so I do get a little bit from the sale if you guys do, but it's all going to go back into the channel to make better content and you know, help grow the channel. So just wanted to throw that out there. All right. Well, the slider's looking really good. I'm a little confused on, it said to align it to the fairing line, which I think I did. Lined it pretty much with this bottom part, but there's the left side. Let's move on to the right. So we just finished up putting the diamond sliders on. I'd say they look pretty damn good. Definitely stick out far enough to protect the fairing. Probably not the exhaust though. Maybe a side there. Super low profile. Let's show you the left side. Kind of weird getting this angle lined up, but I just followed the bottom one instead of the top one and it worked out, but I think they look great. Alright guys, we just got done putting on the frame sliders, swing arm spools, and front axle sliders. Before we end the video though, get rid of that servo motor. I don't even know why they put that stuff in there, so alright. Oh, that's not good. Are you serious? The bike didn't come with a right seat screw. Come on, Yamaha, you can do better than that. Well, conveniently enough, Yamaha already undid the right seat screw. It might be down in here, but I mean, I got this bike 2 days ago. Like, that's crazy that it's coming off so soon. Well, let's get this part off then. Take a look. Now we're going to install the Graves servo eliminator. Says it fits the year before, but I think it's actually, I don't think they did anything with the servo motor. It's probably all the same stuff. So throw this guy on. Hopefully we won't get an engine code. The moment of truth. And no code. Great. And all these. Sure you can guess where they're going. Bye-bye. Useless. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this episode. We got all the crash protection done on the bike. Got rid of the servo eliminator. Found out I only had one seat screw from the dealership, which is great. So I'll have to get another one tomorrow. But drop a like if you liked the video, please. It really helps the channel out. And subscribe for episode 2 and the rest of the build series. Alright guys, ride safe.